Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for the tutorial 14, question 6, we are asked to write a program to read a double dimensional array integer of order 3 by 4. So we are asked to find out the sum of element and then display entered array as well as sum of these elements on the screen. So here, first of all, I put, as usual, this include an integer main. Then I put the open curly bracket. Then I declared integer for the column and row. Then the double for the total for here. And then double for the dimensional array. So here I use for loop with the initial value of row is equals to 0. And then the condition r is less than 3 and the increment of r. Then in this loop, I also use this for loop for the column, which is the initial value of column is equals to 0. With the condition column is less than 4 and increment of c, which is column. So then I printf for the enter value for the column and row. Okay, then we scanf as usual, and here is the total for the array. Okay, then I printf the array. So here I use the same loop with the same initial value and condition and increment. So here when r is equals to 0 and r is less than 3 and increment of r, so then it will go to the next for loop, which is for the column 1 when c is equals to 0 and c less than 4 with the increment of c. So this for loop will executed until the value of c is equals to 3, and then it will terminate this loop and then return into the first for loop until the value of r is equals to 2, because we are asked to write a code for the 3 by 4 array. Then we print f. I use the next line, \n for the next line. So we print f the sum of the element, which is the sum of the array. And then I use 2 double float for the total of this array. Okay. So, okay. So here is the output, the value. Okay. So this is the output when I already entered the value. Okay, so this is the array 3 by 4. And then this is the sum of the element. Okay, okay, thank you.